कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं.
There was a farmer had a dog. Bingo was his name. B-I-N-G-O.
Hi Ishita Devi, welcome to Scoopy Scrub. This is Kiran Aryan, owner Scoopy Scrub Pet Grooming Salon, Hyderabad. I love dogs since I was a little child. My love became more as I grew up. My passion for dogs made me realize that I need to do something good for pets. And that is when I opened my first branch of Scoopy Scrub Pet Grooming Salon in 2018. After that, I opened my second branch at Miyapur in 2020. And now my third branch is here in Nalaganda in 2021 November. Come, let's talk about Scoopy Scrub for our Yashoda TV pet lovers.
There was a farmer had a dog. Bingo was his name. B-I-N-G-O. 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 And Bingo was his name.
I researched and found grooming salon is a unique way to help for pets and support pet parents. I took franchisee of Scoopy Scrub because this is the only certified pet grooming salon in India from more than 10 years with 45 branches and Thailand and Mauritius as well. Scoopy Scrub is known for a high quality grooming service at affordable pricing. We handle all type of dogs including aggressive dog as well in a good manners so that dog should feel happy, relaxed and comfortable, and after that we can start the service like bathing, conditioning, blow dye, what all is required we will do that. Pet should feel happy, relaxed and comfortable at our salon, and then we can start doing the work for the dog, and that is how we are trying to give a good look and good style to dog so that our dog parents, our pet parents should feel wow and happy. So better you start with from the dentist. It's really helpful for his teeth. The bad odors will go off. Also, you can use this kind of shampoo like this neem shampoo. We are using this white and bright shampoos. Depend the color, what color you have with your pets. Accordingly, you can take any of the shampoo which is good for him. You can also try this biscuit. It's really good because we cannot give a heavy kind of food in the whole day to our pets. We require some snacks, some light snacks which helpful to his body, his skin, also his health also. So this biscuit will definitely work for your pet. You can try this also. You can see the crunch biscuit.
Simba.
For dogs also is technology is very high. Now we are using a pet perfume for the dog. Can you see? You can try for your pets also.
Simba.
You can spray it once.
Hey. Yeah, so you guys are smelling good. Good boy.
Good boy. We have a different kind of toys for each and every breed. Like for that Labrador, for Golden Retriever, these kind of toy who can play with the longer period of time. These are the balls who can play with jump, something like that we have here. So you can select any of toy for your pets.
Okay.
Great.
And
You can
that's
try
how
this
Simba
ball.
ball.
Simba.
Ball. Simba ball. Ball. Simba ball.
Oh,
Catches the ball and loves it.
Stella. Okay, got it. Leave it.
Good boy.
Can you see? So like that we are trying to make each and every pet parents to be feel comfortable, happy. Whenever they comes over here, we try a level best to make them, feel relaxed and happy more. So that is our motive. Please come. So this is our grooming area. This is our grooming area. These are the pets, the golden retriever, the Shih Tzu, and that's a toy poodle. So we have a big spacious grooming area where ample of dogs come in together and they should feel happy. So we have this bathtub also, you can see here. This is a bathtub where we put the dog and give the shower. And this also. And I can show you how we are taking care of the pets with the service. So this is going on a pet hygiene, which is very important for all the pets. Like you can see that we remove that hair from the paws inside. We clean the ear first. We also clean the private area part. Can you see? This has to be clean. We clean the eyes also. So they should feel very happy. This is our groomer, name of श्याम सुंदर. कुछ कहना चाहेंगे श्याम सुंदर आप?
कुछ नहीं, यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे तरीके से हम लोग करते हैं ग्रूमिंग. ठीक है. अब हमारा सर मैडम भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, हम लोगों का केयर करते हैं. इसीलिए जो पेट आता है हम लोग उसको अच्छी तरह करने की कोशिश करते हैं.
आपको कितना एक्सपीरियंस हो गया स्कूपी स्क्रब में हमारे साथ?
मैम मेरा तो कम से कम 9 ईयर्स तक हो गया इसी लाइन पे जॉब करते हुए. इसीलिए कोई क्लाइंट आता है तो उसको खुश करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि अच्छे से सर्विसिंग दे, अच्छे से काम करें हम.
और आपको हैदराबाद यहाँ पे कितना टाइम हो गया?
यहाँ पे मैम 4 ईयर हो गया हमारे इधर हैदराबाद में.
तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको ग्रूमिंग करने में?
अच्छा लग रहा है, आप करते रहते हैं इसीलिए अब हैबिट हो गया तो बहुत अच्छा.
थैंक यू. और ये हमारे सेकंड ग्रूमर मिस्टर दीपक. तो ये शिजू की ग्रूमिंग कर रहे हैं जो कि बहुत टफ होती है बिकॉज दे ऑल गेट्स अ लॉट ऑफ नॉट्स एंड यू नो कैन यू सी if we are not doing daily brushes, so all will become a matted hair and then will be very difficult to groom them. They will have a lots of pain and that is how we are taking care of our dogs. We are trying to make them feel happy, feel relaxed to do daily brushing and groom like that. If you have a Shih Tzu, you should do the proper hair brushing daily, twice in a day. So we do daily brushing, we do daily, ponytail. We just cover her eyes because if we are left here in the eyes, then they will feel very uncomfortable. They'll start having some infection, eye problem, eye will become a red and all. So we are taking care of this very much. And he is my groomer, Deepak. So Deepak, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप?
जैसे कि आप देख रहे थे इस पे बहुत सारे नॉट्स थे तो सारे रिमूव किए. अब कहीं भी आपको नॉट्स नहीं दिखेंगे और जैसे भी हो सके घर पे भी ऐसे ही काम करो अच्छे से. और ग्रूमिंग भी आप चाहो कॉम घर पे अगर डॉग्स को कॉम करते हो तो बहुत अच्छे से रहता है. अब ये देखिए कहीं भी कोई भी नॉट्स नहीं आपको दिखेगा. और दूसरा ये है कि जैसे कि फेस क्लीन हुआ, आप स्कूबी स्क्रब में आइएगा, फेस क्लीन एंड हेयर कट और बाकी बहुत सारी चीज़ें, नेल्स कट और टॉयलेट एरिया क्लीन एंड हेयर कट, जो भी आपको करवाना हो आप आइएगा, एक बार ज़रूर देखिएगा काम और अच्छा लगेगा. क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि यहाँ से कोई भी कस्टमर आए खुश होके जाए, निराश बिल्कुल भी ना हो.
कैसा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पे स्कूबी स्क्रब में हमारे साथ काम करके? थोड़ा बताइए सर.
स्कूबी स्क्रब में फ़िलहाल मैं हैदराबाद में जब से आया हूँ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और हमारे ऑनर भी अच्छे हैं. क्योंकि कोई भी तकलीफ में होती है हम ऑनर के ही पास जाते हैं और किसी चीज़ के लिए हमारे लिए कोई मना नहीं है, चाहे वो खाने से लेके पैसे तक की कोई भी बात हो.
Thank you. Thank you. So these are a big dog like a golden retriever. It's a very loving dog, very very good dogs, very good dog for house. He's these kind of love what they give us is feel like life is complete. So that is why golden retriever is a very loving dog. And he's my another person, Mr. Dinesh. मास्क उतारिए. कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप? कुछ बोलो कैसा लग रहा है काम करके, क्या लग रहा है?
मेरा काम मैडम अच्छा सिखा रहे. ग्रूमर्स है ना, मैं हेल्पर था, थोड़ा ग्रूमर से सीख ले रहा था मैं. थोड़ा बाथिंग, बेसिक ग्रूमिंग, नेल कटिंग वो पूरा सीख ले रहा हूँ. 1 साल हुआ मैं ज्वाइन होके. मैडम मेरे को अच्छा ट्रीट करते, सर और मैडम सब. ग्रूमर भी अच्छा प्यार से बात करते.
ये डॉग कैसा है?
अच्छा है मैम.
अच्छा है. So this is how we are doing the grooming part, okay? From small to big. He was very small when he started coming over here. Now he's 1.5 years old. So he grew up with us only. So for us, he's the baby only. So this is how we are doing the services. Thank you so much.
Mr. Santosh, being an ardent pet lover and a proud owner of his golden retriever, has conveyed that his experience of pet grooming at Scooby Scrub under the great surveillance of Kiran Aryan and her eminent team of pet groomers has always given him the most rewarding experience the way in which his pet has been pampered and loved. And to mention, he even said his pet always found Scooby Scrub as his second home. And that after visiting Scooby Scrub, his pet always gets rejuvenated, excited and thrilled after getting groomed over here at Scooby Scrub. He even expressed, it is not just grooming all alone over here at Scooby Scrub. All the products related to the pets have always been beyond outstanding. Either it is related to food or any other accessories too. Adding another feather to the cap of Scooby Scrub, Mr. Santosh said, the ambience and the hygiene that is being maintained at Scooby Scrub is par excellence. So what else more any pet lover would ask for in life other than just Scooby Scrub? And with so many new branches opening up, Scooby Scrub is just a step away from your doorstep. Mr. Santosh reiterated that Scooby Scrub being made available in Hyderabad is just nothing than a God gift to all the pet lovers here in Hyderabad. So he proudly appealed to all the pet lovers here in Hyderabad that Scooby Scrub will make a ultimate difference between best and excellent. So requested to all the pet lovers to join the journey of Scooby Scrub.
I am incomplete without my this wonderful team. They are the reason our pet parents feel happy and go with a smile. Wonderful asset and my family. We as a Scooby Scrub recommend we should adopt a pet. We always provide first free grooming service for adopted pets.
A great pleasure shooting here for Scooby Scrub, and here I have come here through Kiran Aryan madam, who has wanted to get an ad in Yashodhara TV. It has come really good, and madam has done a fabulous, outstanding job, I tell you. And you're going to go a long way in your organization and your open-mindedness, and your services is also great, madam. Your attitude is great.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you. All the best. All the very best to Yashodhara TV pet lovers.